Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a requested video. So people have requested how do I put my lashes on. So guys, and the moment you saw me with lashes on, it was my first time putting them. I did that all by myself. I checked YouTube videos and then a lot of people were using a tweezer, and I have already bought my lashes on and I couldn't like go back to the store and buy some tweezer, so I had to use my hands. So I'm just going to be showing you how do I use these tiny hands on putting my lashes on. Okay guys, these are the lashes. Guys, I really bought them for like they were very cheap, like they're just affordable wherever I bought them. Guys, I'm not working, I am a student, so don't expect me to buy expensive things. But if you want lashes, you can go to Clicks and buy them. You can find lashes for 50 rand. They come up with the glue, but like I don't know where I've put my bonding glue, because usually what works best for this is the bonding glue, but I have this one that is eyelash glue. I don't advise people to use the eyelash glue. You can use your bonding glue, the one that is gray. I'm just going to put a picture of it here. You can use that one. Right, gosh, I'm just going to be using my mascara to be doing it. Guys, my mascara, I bought it from Avon. If like you want one, you can like hit me up on Instagram. This is where I buy my mascara at. So if you want one, hit me up on my Instagram. My Instagram will be down on the description box below. Yeah, just hit me there, hit me up there. Yeah. Okay, what did I do here? What did you do, sis? Guys, I seem to be like the person who doesn't know how to put a mascara on. Like, why? Why? But my mascara already looks cute. Oh, I'm just lying. Missing someone. Guys, I'm done with my lashes. Missing someone. Do you see them lashes? Like, sis, like this thing is easy, man.